So pretty. Oh, where you going, little buddy? I'm not gonna hurt you. Hello and welcome! Chris and TJ out on an adventure in the woods. So come join us as we walk around these beautiful woods. Who knows what we're gonna find? We look for some critters and creepy crawlies and bugs and birds and beautiful things, right?
Yeah.
So who knows? We might find something cool. Make sure you leave a comment if you like the video. Subscribe. We got more videos coming too.
Yeah.
Woohoo! Bye.
Snake. Bye.
What do we have here? A little sunbathing gardener snake.
Yeah. Can I hold him?
So pretty. Where you going, little buddy? I'm not gonna hurt you.
Well, look at him move.
Hi, little buddy.
Hi.
There he goes.
His little tail.
Yeah, nice little garden snake.
You'll see, he's right down there. He's heading down.
You never know what you're gonna find when you're out and about. Always be careful where you're walking. You don't want to step on any snakes or critters.
I love snakes.
Woohoo! Bye, little guy.
I want to pet snake.
It might be there when we come back. So quiet and peaceful. What'd you find?
I found a caterpillar.
Look at the little guy. Look how cool he looks. Gotta be careful with caterpillars too though, because some of them are poisonous or venomous. I think poisonous. Venomous is what they bite you.
Like this hair, the hairs that you see sticking up?
Yep, they can give you a little rashy rash. Look at that cool wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. And off he goes. Look at how tiny he is. Good thing you didn't step on him. Woo!
I think I saw him.
Just walk down to the water. Look at how quick that guy is. Go, Beetle, go. So fast. He's on a mission. He's racing away. He's like, I gotta get food. Bye, guys. Ooh, I hear all the birds. And as we're walking, we have these nice storybook pages to read that our local library posts in the pathway. So you might be able to find a cool path with some nice reading material. What did we learn from the book, Bear Bunny? It's okay to be different because you don't have to feel like the same, right? The bear felt like a bunny on the inside until he found his friend that was a bunny that felt like a bear on the inside. They were both different, but both became best friends. Woohoo! Oh. Little dragonfly, looking right at me.
Smile into the camera.
There he is. I'm just hanging out. Are you ready, sir? Let's go look at the beautiful view. Big cast.
What?
Big cast. Woohoo! Nothing better than to end your day with some fishing. So make sure you get out and enjoy nature.